I'm going to do an intro right now, okay? Okay. Just for the hell of it, you know? We're here. Okay, so my first intro in flight, flying with Dak here. And
650, Mike Charlie, Travis approach. Are you on this frequency?
we decided to go wild today and land and take off from 7 or 8 or 13 different airports. I'm pretty sure it's 8. Right now, we're approaching Concord, about 11 nautical miles out. We picked up the weather, and the whole idea behind this was I work in San Francisco, which means that I cannot leave certain Bay Area counties because then I will have to isolate at home for 10 days or 14 days or, again, 63 days. I'm not sure what it is. So the idea today was just to go wild and have a whole bunch of 20, 30, and 40 nautical mile legs to 8 airports or 7 airports in the 7 Bay Area counties where we can actually go to and get out of the plane and have a good old time. And that's exactly what we did. We landed in Livermore, from Concord to Livermore. Then we hauled ass over to Reef Hillview. Then we hauled ass over to San Carlos, Half Moon Bay, Gnoss, Napa, Nutree, and we're 9.4 nautical miles away from Concord. So here we go. Last landing of the day, and go home and take a nap. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was good. Clear left, clear right. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is on Foxtrot, holding short 1 right, request right, downwind departure.
Cessna 9501 Whiskey, Concord Tower, right downwind departure approved, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff, 1040 at Niner.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, right, downwind departure is approved, 9501 Whiskey.
Cessna 4 Foxtrot Romeo, traffic departing prior to arrival, Cessna right downwind.
Okay, here we go. Full power.
4 Foxtrot Romeo.
Engines are in the green. Speed is alive, 40 knots. 50 knots. 60. There we go.
And we're off.
We're off on our little adventure. Let's see what we got.
Oh, it's warm today.
Yeah.
Cessna 384, wind 050 at Niner, runway 1 right, clear to land, number 2, follow Cessna short final.
1 right, clear to land, number 2, 384.
Flight Sport 7 Golf X-ray, wind 050 at Niner, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 1 left, 7 Golf X-ray.
Sunlight Sport 7 Golf X-ray, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, Cessna maneuvering first straight and for the parallel, altitude indicates 3,200 descending.
Looking for the traffic, 7 Golf X-ray.
Cessna 384, traffic 10 o'clock, approximately 2.5 miles, light sport maneuvering first straight and for the parallel.
Looking for traffic, 384.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, traffic Cessna 5 miles south of the field, maneuvering first straight and altitude indicates 2,800, descending to remain this frequency.
I'll stay with you, 01 Whiskey, looking for that traffic. Our final altitude is going to be 2,000 for 01 Whiskey.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, roger, thank you. They're now descending through 2,600. Cessna 384, additional traffic, Cessna 1 mile east of the field, southbound, altitude indicates 1,500 climbing.
Still looking for traffic, 384. Concord Tower, Cessna 67384. I know you said number 2 clear to land, but did the previous traffic already land?
Cessna 384, affirmative. You are now number 1 for runway 1 right.
Roger that. Thank you, 384.
Flight Sport 7 Golf X-ray, previously mentioned Cessna for the parallel at your 2 to 3 o'clock, less than 1 mile, altitude indicates 2,200 descending.
Traffic inside 7 Golf X-ray.
Roger, thank you. Cessna 01 Whiskey, previously mentioned traffic 1 o'clock, 1.5 miles, altitude indicates 2,100 descending.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Inside 01 Whiskey.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, roger, maintain visual separation, frequency change approved, have a good flight.
Maintain visual separation, frequency change approved, see you soon, 01 Whiskey.
Cessna 384, previously mentioned Cessna now 1 o'clock, less than 1 mile southbound, altitude case 2000. They have you in sight and will maintain visual separation. And previously mentioned light sport for the parallel off your left wing, less than 1 mile, same altitude.
I see the traffic to my left, 384, looking for the traffic on the right.
Roger.
Okay, Livermore, ASOS, ATIS is 119.65. And tower for Livermore.
Tucker Tower, good afternoon. Helicopter, reach bed 100, reach range, shoreline, bound departure.
118.1.
Cessna 4 Delta Golf number 3 following a Cherokee ahead, rolling 7 left, clear for adoption.
Number 3, this will be a full stop. I'll follow the plane in front of me, 4 Delta Golf.
1-1. Visual approaches in use. Landing to runway 7 left and 7 right.
7 left and 7
Devices
right.
are in effect. Advise on initial contact information, Sierra.
What is this turbulence? Is it from the hills?
Station, Sierra.
Yeah, from both.
1943 Wind 040.
Oh, this is like-
Sky clear. Temperature 23, dew point 1. Altimeter 3011. Visual approaches in use. Landing to runway 7 left and 7 right. Spur devices are in effect. Advise on initial contact information, Sierra.
Sierra.
Cherokee 7 Delta Tango, turn left at Echo, Contact ground 46.
Turn left at Echo, contact 7 Delta Tango.
Pit 7 Tango Whiskey, number 2 following a Cessna, short final, rolling 7 left, clear land.
Number 2, clear to land, 7 left, pit 7 Tango Whiskey. Just be advised, there's some pretty good turbulence over the hills, about 3,000 feet on the downwind.
Roger.
Good afternoon, Livermore Tower. 63355, 6 to target Hayward. We have Sierra, full stop landing.
Cessna 63355, Livermore Tower, straight in, rolling 7 right.
Straight in, 7 right, 355.
Livermore Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is with Sierra, full stop. We're just north of the field.
Cessna 9501 Whiskey, Livermore Tower, proceed to the interchange, straight in, rolling 7 left.
Interchange for straight in, 7 left, 9501 Whiskey.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, number 2 following a Pitts left base, correction, short final, rolling 7 left, clear land.
Number 2, clear to land, 7 left, we'll be looking for the traffic, 01 Whiskey.
Vincent 355 traffic to follow is a Cessna, just a mile and a half north of the interchange for straight in, rolling 7 left.
Okay, where we're looking for traffic, 355.
Cessna 10 Whiskey, you turn direct to the numbers to 7 left.
01 Whiskey turning direct for 7 left.
Wind 04012.
Okay, let's slow down. Okay, we're gonna actually...
Pit 7 Tango Whiskey, going to fuel or right turn on Charlie?
Slow down.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Right,
We'll
Charlie,
do it
lane
taxi
7
down.
Tango Whiskey.
Pit 7 Tango Whiskey, continue to Charlie, turn right Charlie, hold short, run 7 right.
Continue to Charlie, hold short, 7 right, and Charlie, 7 Tango Whiskey.
Cessna 29 Juliet, contact NorCal approach 125.35.
125.35, 29 Juliet.
Cessna 198, contact ground 46.
Ground 46, 100, good day.
Pit 7 Tango Whiskey, cross run 7 right, and continue taxiing via Kilo with me to parking.
Cross 7 right, with you to south. Fingers by Kilo, 7 Tango
Collapse
Whiskey.
time.
Livermore Tower, Cessna 274 Delta Golf, holding short 7 left, left close traffic.
Cessna 274 Delta Golf, Livermore Tower, left close traffic, run 7 left, clear for takeoff, wind 06088.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left, 4 Delta Golf.
All right, there's...
Cessna 355, number 2 following the Cessna, mile and a half in front of you, we're on 7 left, clear land.
Clear to land, number 2, 7 left, 355.
Now we get blown out. Let's get to the white arc, 4 flaps, 20.
Dak with you on frequency, thanks for the help.
Roger.
Mi 75, looking good. We're crabbing for the runway, a little low, so let's go a little bit faster. Full flaps.
System 4, Delta Golf, you're number 3 following a Stenson, 2 mile final, we're on 7 left, clear foot option.
Okay, number 3, clear for the option, 7 left, 4 Delta Golf.
Far back, far back, far back. A little bit fast, high. Okay, far out.
Nice drop.
Alright, we'll take the next one. 01 Whiskey will be taxi back for a left downwind departure.
01 Whiskey, roger, turn left at Echo, kind of ground point 6.
Left and Echo, over to ground, 01 Whiskey.
Wind 05010.
Livermore ground, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is on Echo, clear 7 left taxi for a left downwind departure.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Livermore ground, runway 7 left, taxi to Alpha.
Taxi 7 left via Alpha 9501 Whiskey.